Set the font size of a paragraph text. The font size property in CSS, that's the font size property in CSS, is not limited to headings like H1 to H6. It can be applied to any element containing text. Change the value of the font size property for the paragraph to 16 pixels to make it more visible. So it's paragraph, parentheses, font size, colon. It's 10 pixels in out. I'm going to change it to 16 pixels and watch this side. No, wait a minute. Right, hold on. We've ever done it already. So if I put that back to 10 pixels, aye. So if I put it to 16 pixels, aye. You can read it a wee bit better. It's just, it doesn't make any sense because it's just, thing with text, what do you call it? Practice text kind of thing. It's nothing really. Yabba dabba do, moving on. Set the line height of paragraphs. CSS offers a line height property to change the height of a line. Each line in the block of text, as the name suggests, it can change the amount of vertical spacing between each line of the text gets. Add line height property to the paragraph and set it to 25 pixels. So basically we can put spaces in between there and there. Between L and A, say. So if you watch this, so line height, make sure it's in between the parentheses, right enough. I think this is how you do this. 25 pixels, semicolon. Oh, wait a minute, I've put two X's. So as you see there a wee gap there. So between L and A and I and A, there's a wee gap in between. So that's the line height. So yabba dabba do, terminated, moving on. Adjust the hover state of the anchor tag. This challenge will touch on the usage of pseudo classes. A pseudo class is a keyword that can be added to selectors in order to select a specific state of the element. For example, the styling of an anchor tag can be changed for its hover state using the hover pseudo class selector. Here, the CSS to change the color of the anchor tag to red during its hover state. So, A hover color to red. So the color editor has a CSS rule to style all A tags black. Add a rule so that when the user hovers over an A tag, the color is blue. So we want to change that to blue, I think. No, we don't. Right, we'll reset the code. Reset code, reset all this lesson. So what I want to do is I want to make the A So I want to make the hover, parentheses, color, colon, blue, semicolon. I think that's how you do it. Aye. So basically what we're doing is we're hovering over it and making it change from black to blue. Or we can make it red if we wanted. So we'll make it red. See, so it's red now. And like you see, we can change it to yellow as well. So it'll go yellow. So whatever colour you want it to go, that's what colour you change it to. But in this exercise, we change it to blue. So I think that's it. Yabba dabba do, moving on, that's it. So, changing elements' relative position. CSS treats each HTML element as its own box, which is usually referred to as a CSS box model block level. Items automatically start on a new line. Think headings, paragraphs, and divs. While inline element items sit within surrounding content like images or spans, the default layout of the elements in this way is called the normal flow of a document. But CSS offers the position property to override it. When the position of an element is set to relative, it allows it to specify how CSS should move it relative to its current position in the normal flow of the page. It pairs with CSS offset properties of the left or right or top or bottom, and they say how many pixels, percentage, or EMs to move the item away from, where